Want to do it now?
Austin, you got it?
Yeah. Wait. Wait.
Where's the?
Right there.
1, 2, 3.
No, hold on. It's already recording. I need to edit it too because it's like. Oh my God, Jessica. Well, you're like moving your head into the camera. Say hi. Say hi. Just say hi real quick. Just say hi. Jessica.
I told you about the guy in the robotics club, right?
Yeah. Thank
I
God.
tell you about the girl. The girl, these two guys.
It's gonna be on
these
YouTube
two,
anyway.
Engineers from Boeing. They look like, I swear, they look like they could be sitting in this class. They're like 26 years old. And the girl,
Come on.
God, man, she's about this tall. Probably weighs 100 pounds. She looks like she's 16. She's 26, but she went to Caltech. You know where they have the Jet Propulsion Lab out in Pasadena? Caltech is like ranked number 2 in the country for hardest schools to get into. You got to be a brainiac to get into that place. She went to Caltech and got her bachelor's degree in mechanical engineering, and then went to Stanford and got a master's degree. And she builds submarines.
I'm gonna edit it.
And she says all she does all day at Boeing is sit on a computer designing the submarine. She said when they're all done designing, they order the materials and they start building it right there in their office, in their warehouse. And she says she'll get to actually get the tools out. And she says that's when it gets fun. But underwater submarine, unmanned subs that go like really deep, that's what she's building. The other guy's a rocket scientist. I asked him, are you a rocket scientist? You know that joke, this isn't rocket science? This guy's a real rocket scientist.
You almost got it, Jessica.
He makes rockets.
You could try again.
It's called fluid dynamics engineering. Okay. You guys got all this?
Yeah.
Okay, if you get some short-term goals, there's your two. There's 1 and 2 on short-term goals.
Here.
No. There's 1. There's 2. They should be specific to help you measure your progress. When you go to the gym, after you put your clothes on to work out in, what's the next thing you do?
Which one's number 3?
What?
I do the steps.
Okay, before you do that, do you step on the scale? No? A lot of people don't, they measure themselves. I know I have the scales like right there by the door. At 24-hour fitness, I jump on the scale, see what you weigh. Wow, gained a couple pounds today. Wow, lost a couple pounds today.
Baron, how much do you weigh?
Game lost.
Dude, this is gonna take forever to upload. Like 1 minute.
Right about
It's gonna be
200
edited.
pounds.
This is okay.
If it's higher than that, I'm getting too fat.
I'm gonna make it really
If
short.
it's lower, too skinny.
Like
All right.
probably a 2-minute film.
You guys got this?
Wait, which one's number 3?
No. That's 1 and that's 2 on define short-term goals on B. AJ, you're on the wrong one.
God, Jessica.
That's 2. Let's see. You got it?
They're not shitting me.
Not going in.
God damn you, Jessica. Here, you get it. Look at it. Look, Jessica.
See those 2 bullets? That one and that one.
I don't care if you drop it. Why don't you want to turn around?
Cheerleaders going in. Sorry.
Fine. Shoot someone else.
Look. 1 and 2.
Shoot to me. Do it.
On B. Got it?
What?
Okay, we're done. 1 and 2 on B.
Yeah, shoot to me. Yep.
Got Peter?
Matt, alright,
Yeah.
give him again. He'll do it. You feel like you won't make it.
That's 1, that's 2.
Hold on.
Jesus, you got this?
Yeah. I see all.
You're Jesus, you can walk on water. Should be able to do this. You can calm the sea. You can feed multitudes of people with 2 fish and a loaf of bread. You guys read the Old Testament? That's right. And then all the baskets left over.
And
Jesus drank a lot of wine.
Dude, no.
you're gonna shoot me in the head?
Yeah, you got it?
Well, if
No,
anything
man.
happened, it's not mine.
Stop chit-chatting and do this.
Okay, sir.
That's right. Stop the grab button. Over here.
Oh my god. Stop. Stop it.
You're gonna call me. You can't even
Yeah, let's go to C.
Oh, very
God, what's wrong with you? Oh, you got your hoodie on now.
Develop your fitness plan.
Fuck.
If you go to the gym today, like when I was a kid, we worked out, there was weight, there were free weights, there were a few machines. Today, you see everybody doing this different kind of workouts with like stretch cords. They still use weights and machines. You hear everybody talking about you got to strengthen your core. You know, if your core is strong, the rest of your body will be good to go. So, like, people are doing a lot of balancing on these balls and balancing on the floor while they're exercising. It's different. It looks strange, but it's the new way. This is what people are doing for workouts. Still a lot of guys going old school and lifting weights. Okay? Hey, let's do